Alright guys, May here with another quick video. Today I wanted to show you my Dewalt 18 gauge Narrow Crown Stapler kit. We have been using the Dewalt lineup for many years, and when it so happened that we needed a narrow crown stapler for a project, it was obviously a no-brainer for us to add this one to our collection. The best part about it is that we don't have to haul around the ginormous air compressor and the hose just to get a quick project done, because this Dewalt Narrow Crown Stapler is 100% battery operated. It has been very convenient to use for minor projects without having to get out the whole air compressor setup. It is very easy to use. First, you'll want to plop in your battery and then make sure that you have staplers inside the compartment. Then you position your tool on the wood, press down, and then shoot the staplers in place. I am really loving that it is compatible with my other Dewalt 20V batteries, so I don't have to go and buy separate batteries just for this. Which, by the way, I always recommend keeping extra batteries on hand with any of your tools to make sure your work doesn't get interrupted by having to keep charging your batteries. Also, don't forget your stapler refills so you don't have to run out in the middle of the project. If you are in the market for a convenient, portable, battery-operated narrow crown stapler, this could be exactly what you are looking for.